name is Shannon Gordon, and this presentation is titled Qualitative Analysis of Leadership Transcript Using Dedoose to Identify Themes and Develop a Conceptual Framework. This work is part of my doctorate in business administration program for fall of 2024. Under the guidance of Dr. Mary Lynn, today I'll walk you through my analysis of leadership transcripts and the themes and insights derived from this qualitative research. The objective of this research was to analyze leadership using qualitative methods. My focus areas were coding text, identifying themes, and developing a conceptual framework. To conduct this analysis, I used a quantitative data analyst tool called Dedoose. By applying a systematic approach, I aimed to uncover key leadership dynamics within diverse environments. I analyzed 2 leadership transcripts for this project. The first was Colin Powell's graduation speech titled Learn to Lead, which emphasized resilience and adaptability. The second was Secretary of Defense James Mattis's speech at the Virginia Military Institute, which focused on discipline and strategic discipline making. Both transcripts provided rich qualitative data for analysis. The qualitative analyst process involved 3 key steps, which were coding, identifying themes, and developing conceptual framework. Coding allowed me to break the data into meaningful segments. Theme identification helped me group related ideas, and the conceptual framework illustrated the relationships among these themes. Using Dedoose streamlined this process, ensuring a systematic and thorough analysis. The analysis began by uploading the transcript of the selected speech into Dedoose. I used the platform's tools to code text and identify recurring themes. Data saturation, the point where no new patterns or themes emerge, was achieved by thoroughly analyzing all participant responses. This ensured a complete and reliable data set for the study. Using Dedoose, I identified key codes that emerged from the transcripts. These included leadership challenges, gender-specific traits, and language barriers. Each code represented a recurring idea or concept in the speeches, which helped guide the next step of theme identification. From the coding process, 3 primary themes were identified, which were cultural diversity. This highlighted the influence of ethnicity on workplace dynamics and leadership adaptability. Gender roles, it addressed challenges shaped by gender-specific expectations in leadership. Language and communication, this focused on the importance of multilingual environments for effective leadership. These themes reflect the interplay between demographic factors and leadership effectiveness. The insights from Colin Powell and Jane Mattis enriched this analysis deeply. Powell's emphasis on adaptability aligns with managing cultural diversity, while Mattis's focus on discipline and strategic decision-making complements overcoming language barriers. As you can see, participant demographics played a significant role in shaping the themes. For instance, 80.9% of the participants were Hispanic, with a majority speaking bilingual or were solely Spanish-speaking. These demographics underscored the importance of cultural and linguistic sensitivity in leadership roles. This slide represents the conceptual framework developed from my qualitative analysis. This framework integrates 3 primary themes that emerge from the data, which were cultural diversity, gender roles, and language and communication, as previously spoken in the previous slide. Cultural diversity significantly influences leadership dynamics, particularly in decision-making and team cohesion. Leaders must navigate ethnic and cultural differences to create inclusive environments that foster collaboration. Gender roles shape leadership strategies and the inclusivity of workplace practices. Addressing gender-specific expectations help dismantle biases and enables leaders to create equitable opportunities for all team members. Language and communication are fundamental for effective leadership. Multilingual environments require clear communication strategies to overcome language barriers, build trust, and ensure operational efficiency. This framework visually illustrates the interplay between these themes. For example, cultural diversity and gender roles both require strong communication skills to align diverse perspectives and foster a cohesive leadership approach. Ultimately, This framework emphasizes the importance of adaptability and inclusivity. By addressing the challenges and opportunities presented by cultural, gender, and linguistic factors, leaders can enhance team dynamics and organizational effectiveness. Data saturation is a critical concept in qualitative research. It refers to the point where no new information or patterns emerge from the analysis. Reaching saturation ensures that the data set comprehensively represents the phenomenon being studied and validates the finding. In this analysis, saturation was achieved supporting the reliability of the themes and conclusions. The findings reveal that cultural diversity enhances adaptability, though it requires effective management. Gender roles influence leadership opportunities, highlighting the need for equitable practices. Finally, effective communication, especially in multilingual settings, is essential for fostering collaboration and trust. These insights collectively underscore the importance of inclusivity, adaptability, and communication in leadership. Thank you.